I am Vishal Gajwani. I work with Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC Limited. I have been working here for the last 10 years. If I talk about my investment philosophy, the first investing book that I came across was by Professor Benjamin Graham, who is considered to be the father of value investing. So that's where my investing journey started. Unfortunately, there are very few companies that I was able to figure out or identify based on valuation principles mentioned in that book. That's where I actually looked at and appreciated the readings of other investors like Peter Lynch, Philip Fisher, Charlie Munger, and many others. All this gave me a wide enough perspective to build my own investment framework. And that's where I was able to develop my own unique investing style. What is this style? So if I look at the historical data for the last 2 decades of the Indian equity markets or longer time frame for the US markets, what I figured out was that 2 extremes do not work. When I say extremes, extreme of value investing on one side and the other extreme of momentum investing. What really actually works is the middle path. When I say middle path, it is basically a focus on companies which are high growth, high quality, but available at a reasonable price point. So that's something that I took up as a nuanced approach to my investment framework, where I gave a lot of emphasis to business aspects like the quality of franchise, how is the return on equity shaping up, what is the growth profile, what is the size of investment opportunity. All these things go into the decision-making process to select the right stock for the fund. So there are 2 ways to generate alpha in a portfolio. One is stock selection and second is sector selection. So far as stock selection is concerned, here the idea is to identify stocks and businesses which have a credible, sustainable moat, available at a reasonable valuation, and also have very solid financials. When I say solid financials, I'm talking about return on capital employed, leverage, cash flow generation capability, etc. So these are the things that I focus on while selecting stocks for the portfolio. Apart from this, again, we have seen in the markets that every bull market is led by different leaders, different sectors which lead new bull markets. That is why it's really important to focus on the right sectors and identify the right trends at the right time. So that's how I look at investing. One is stock picking based on various fundamental attributes that I talked about. And second is getting the sector call right in terms of getting the trend right for the markets.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.